Hey. Hello everyone and welcome to Pins Across the World and a special Mickey and Minnie's Mine Train and something vacation shorts vlog. Yeah, it's just, there we go. It's right there, but it's blurry because the light's all on, but we've got some good shots of it. So yeah, hang with us today and have a look at all the magic here at Hollywood Studios.
And there's a lot of spoilers in this video, so if you don't want to see what's involved, turn it off now.
Absolutely.
But like it first.
So if you don't want to know what happens in Mickey and Minnie's Mine Train or the vacation shorts that have recently opened at Disney's Hollywood Studios, this is a complete and utter spoiler. So tune off until you've actually come and experienced it yourself, and then come and watch it afterwards.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend a day in the countryside.
The times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and it's never going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We could have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Remember, guys, do not cook when you're gonna get on the train. Accidents
Oh, okay.
Well, hey there, run-em-up railroad riders. Engineer Goofy here. For your safety aboard the train, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your car at all times. Always remain seated and be sure to keep a watchful eye on little ones. Okie dokie. Thanks. Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you do?
Hey, Mick and Minnie.
You're taking good care of our friends.
Of course, there was me. What could possibly go wrong?
We're that track switch.
Oh, I slipped it on the way.
Let's get that rolling train. Stampede! They're running wild.
Just let him get away.
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it.
We've had one crazy round. Love with you by my side. The stars will be on night. Nothing can stop us now.
Gorge, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
Oh look, we're going back through the screen. So we hope you enjoyed the quick tour we did. It's worth saying that there's so much going on all around you that both our own and any other one that we've had a quick look at now that we've ridden it don't show everything that's going on.
It's really hard. There's so much detail. Like I pointed out to you, didn't I? As you're going into the ride, the first bridge says 1928, and then there's another bridge inside the ride further down which says 1901. And I mean,
so we're pretty sure the dates are to do with when that part of the cartoon or film was originally made in the story, because it is all old Mickey.
Yeah, it's the original classic style of Mickey and Minnie.
Redone in 3D.
Yeah.
It's also worth noting we rode it twice, one at the first car and one in the last car.
We preferred the front.
We don't know if it was just because it was the first time riding it, but the first car seemed to give a better experience.
Yeah, I preferred it.
Because when you were at the back initially, you missed the first little bit.
You couldn't really see Goofy in the front of the train from the back. And I liked that. The other thing that we experienced on the second time was a delay.
Yeah.
So when we went into Daisy's dance class, she froze.
Yeah.
And we
the
held
entire
there.
ride just stopped.
So it was only
30
maybe
seconds or so.
I was going to say
and then I assume there was a backlog due to like wheelchairs or something, because when we then got to the end bit, we were held at the picnic scene in front of the picnic for a bit. Whereas the first time we rode it, the only time it actually stopped was just before it goes through the final tunnel to the offloading station. So it obviously had a lot of wheelchairs ahead, which have slowed it down and caused it to backlog.
And I felt that that spoiled the magic just a little bit. Like it was
flow
much
as well.
better the first time, where we rode through the entire ride. but I have to say it's definitely up there with one of my favourites now. I loved it.
It was good. So if you get a chance, go for it.
Yeah, definitely.
The actual queue time for us to the FastPass place, I don't know if we've said it earlier, was first time 40 minutes and about 35 minutes the last time, despite the wait time being posted as 110
yeah,
the
and
first
then
time, and 90 I think it was the second time, or
Oh,
105 or something. But once you reach that FastPass point, you go into a theatre and then, okay, that maybe takes at most 10 minutes to get from there to the actual ride, but it's been...
You constantly moving then. And the wait point that we started in was you were outside in like the first lot of slaloms, I guess is the best way to describe that. But yeah, it said it was 110, we waited about 45.
In FastPasses, they didn't seem to have that many FastPass people
really
for the
limited.
ride, because at the time we were there, it was small groups of FastPasses. It wasn't like most of the other rides where there's a constant FastPass queue. It seemed to be groups of maybe 10-20 people, then there was a huge gap, and then another 10-20 people, so maybe they have vastly limited the FastPasses that were available for it in the first few days.
I kind of hope they have, because some of them, like Smuggler's Run, seems to be like inundated with FastPasses. So, I mean, we FastPassed that, so can't really comment.
No.
And then, to talk about the vacation shorts, I thought that was really cute. I loved that as well. And that was really quiet.
Yeah, that was quite quiet. I think it's well hidden. It's round past Frozen, because initially we went the wrong way because I thought it was next to the Walt Disney Pier.
More new things. More new things. It's very exciting.
Yes, this is also just opened. I think it opened yesterday as well.
It's called Mickey and Minnie's in a Vacation Fun. It's some sort of Mickey and Minnie shorts, I think. You're not really understand.
Yeah.
It's exciting. I'm loving all this new stuff.
That's nice seats.
Yes, you need to look at the seats. Mickey seats, that's amazing. I love it. So we've just come out of the Mickey and Minnie shorts, and there's a whole little like photo pass area. It's really cool. So we're going to film and take pictures.
It goes through all the old Mickey Mouse shorts that you have. They're all featured in it that some you hadn't seen.
I've not seen any of them. I thought they were all
So
original.
if you're in your room, you can watch them on the Company Clips channel or the Mickey Mouse Cartoons channel. Because I used to watch one of those.
Okay, I thought they were all original.
And so after you finish with it, it's got some photo opportunities.
They're really cute, and they're all based like on the shorts, so they're really well themed. We heard that there was PhotoPass there at some point, but we're not entirely sure as to whether they just operate between certain hours, or they were there just for opening day, or just for the press release, because when we went there wasn't anyone there.
But there was no one else there taking photos. There were others that were in the show with us, not that it was full, but they all just walked straight through and straight out. So we just hung around, let them all leave, and then had it to ourselves.
Took loads of photos, and then we asked the cast members in there, because there's a small stall with a little bits pieces that you can buy and purchase if you want, and the cast members took some photos of us together as well, so that was quite nice.
We're not sure if you can get in there though without going through the show, because I don't know if the door opens from the outside, because nobody was coming in. So 2 cast members came in for it, but we didn't see anyone else come in, so maybe you can't open it from the outside, but who knows.
So that was Mickey and Minnie's vacation shorts, but yeah, really cute and just lovely. I loved it. So thank you very much for joining us for this special Pins Across the World edition with magic from Hollywood Studios and the new Mickey and Minnie's Mine Train and vacation shorts.
Be sure to subscribe and click like, and if you want to see our Florida vlogs when we get round to uploading them in a couple of weeks, make sure you've subscribed.
Till the next time guys, have a magical day!
Bye.